Greetings, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in this morning's video, YouTube, which happens to be our first video of the 2021 grow season, we thought we would give you guys a quick peek at our now 1-year-old propagated black mulberry tree. We're going to give you guys a look at exactly what has happened during the past year that it's been growing here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Again, this is a propagated black mulberry tree. We have two here at the entrance to our driveway here, YouTube. They've both grown to a height of about 4 feet, a little above the 4 feet mark here, YouTube. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys and show you guys exactly what it is that we currently have growing on with one of these 1-year-old propagated black mulberry trees that we have in our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see the tremendous amount of growth that our now 1-year-old propagated black mulberry tree has put on during the past 365 days, YouTube? When we first planted our tree here, YouTube, when we first planted our black mulberry tree here, it was approximately this tall, YouTube. It was this tall 1 year ago, YouTube, and as you can see, this tree has put on every bit of 3.5 feet of growth during the past grow season here in our front yard garden extended grow area. During the fall and winter months, after our trees went into dormancy last year, we took the liberty of coming out here when we did a hard pruning on both this black mulberry tree and our other black mulberry tree on the other side of our driveway over there, YouTube. A lot has happened, as you can see. Our mulberry tree has spread way out after being pruned. So did the one on the other side of the driveway over there, YouTube. But this is what I wanted to show you guys, YouTube. Again, this is a 1-year-old propagated black mulberry tree we propagated in our high tunnel during the winter months last year, YouTube. I'm taking you guys in for a close-up and show you guys exactly what it is that we currently have growing on with our now 1-year-old propagated black mulberry tree seed, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! That's right, YouTube. We have fruit. We actually have fruit, YouTube, on our now 1-year-old propagated black mulberry tree here in our front yard garden extended grow area, YouTube. And we couldn't possibly be more excited than we are right now to have our 1-year-old black mulberry tree produce fruit for us here after, again, only 365 days of growth here in this location in our front yard garden extended grow area, YouTube. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video on our now 1-year-old propagated black mulberry trees and not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Growing black mulberries right here in our front yard garden extended grow area at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to y'all for letting this light you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this light 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this light is about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this light is gonna do. I'm known for ripping hitters just like I did the last time. Cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap game. And way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This lion's on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time my haters test me, they fall.